Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is SAS Spirit 62-inch Takedown Recurve Bow. Consider the SAS Spirit if you want a low-cost straightforward option to get you used to shooting before moving on to fancier. This is the best bow with best price. The riser has a classic wood finish made from 3 different Asian tree pieces that is Chuglam, Valina arborea and beech. It's pretty, it's strong, and perhaps most importantly, it has a comfortable grip for a new archer. This Spirit bow will make you perfectly prepared for family fun of backyard shooting or trips into the woods hunting. They are made of maple laminations and strong fiberglass. This will ensure that you will have the flexibility and durability that your child needs. This bow will bend, but it will be difficult to get this thing to break. Our second best recurve bow is Samick Sage Takedown Recurve Bow. The Samick Sage is an all-time favorite for many people and is probably the best recurve bow for you if you are just starting out. The Samick Sage Takedown Recurve Bow was designed to be an affordable, all-around choice for novice to intermediate archers, a choice you learn on, experiment on, rely on and hone in your skills. Samick's risers are manufactured with imported maple wood, for lightweight and highly durable bows, with a comfortable ergonomic grip. Pre-installed threaded brass bushings for various attachments and upgrades, such as brass plunger, stabilizer, sight, quiver, bow fishing reel. Right-handed, hold the bow with your left hand and pull the string with your right. Left-handed, hold the bow with your right hand and pull the string with your left. Third in our list is Keshas Takedown Hunting Recurve Bow. This makes it not just a great option for beginners but good for children. The takedown is tool-free, so a newbie should have no trouble assembling and disassembling it. The draw weight range is large, too. It goes up to 55 pounds. That enters the range of serious hunting power, but this bow is really more geared towards people starting out and learning to shoot accurately. Strangely, the bow weight is actually a little high for something otherwise ideal for kids. With our clear step-by-step instructions, Keshas Recurve Bow can be assembled by anyone in no time at all. Number 4 in our best recurve bow list is Top Archery Recurve Bow. It features a minimalistic design that looks similar to a medieval longbow, albeit with recurves. There's no arrow rest or ergonomic grip, but that's the style they're going for. If you want to get down to the roots of archery for a good price, this could be the one. The draw weight ranges from 30 to 50 pounds despite the bow's small size and lightweight. Even though it's a really basic bow, it's good for target practice, serious archery, and even hunting. The wooden riser has a faux leather grip that's comfortable, and the limbs are made of flexible fiberglass. It's a nice first bow and would make a great gift for someone considering getting into archery or wilderness survival. Our last pick is Sino Art 68-inch Takedown Recurve Bow. This recurve has a unique design. The all-wood riser is snazzy, and the limbs have been rounded for a sleeker look. It has a large range of draw weights from 18 to 36, and you can get it in 2-pound increments, so it'll be just what you need to hone your skills. You get a bunch of accessories with the Sino Art 68. In addition to the bow, it comes with a bow stringer, an arm guard, a finger tab, a sight and an arrow rest. The holes are pre-drilled for these accessories, so it's hassle-free.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!